generic name, brand name. Okay na kayo in order. 10 to 14. Prescription, non-prescription, illicit, or street drug, investigational, regulated or controlled drug. Okay, 15 to 19. Right client, dosage, time, route, and ano ba sabi lang? Route. Tama? Right? No. Ang right to refuse dapat mamaya and very supportive, palliative,
Question yung question. Okay.
Okay lang yun.
Question. Question.
Okay, ang enumeration is 35 items, tama? Pero 44 na yan, kung tapos na number 16, yun na yun pag 35. Alam niyo naman yan, okay? Pare na, ang quiz 3, yung enumeration 34 lang, di ba? 35 items yan. So, kunin nyo